Here are the things that I currently learn about content creation. To be honest, content creation, malawak yan. And maraming dahilan kung bakit natin ginagawa yung content creation. Maraming dahilan kung bakit nagsisimula yung mga taong mag-create ng content. May it be on any other app or dito sa TikTok. There are many reasons. Una na sa lahat dyan is nakita nila na may opportunity ang content creation. May opportunity for growth, may opportunity for compensation. Ibig sabihin, pwede talagang kumita ng pera sa content creation. But hindi lahat nagsasucceed, hindi rin lahat nare-reach yung kanilang goal, which is to be viral, to earn. Bakit kaya? Because content creation, I don't know about you, pero what I think is content creation is designed for people who are, number one, consistent, number two, who are also creative, number three, who has insights, may value. Ibig sabihin, they were able to share a certain value or they were able to give a certain value in someone's life. Yan yung mga viewers, nabibigyan nila ng value. So if you want to start creating content, always ask yourself, anong value ang mabibigay ko sa audience ko? Yung worth it ba na mapanood nila? I think that is where your journey to content creation and your growth will start. Kasi if wala lang to sa'yo, I don't think you will get anywhere. Hindi siya pwede kasi nung wala lang, gusto ko lang. And then, when tough times come, bibitaw ka. No, you stay consistent. So that is what content creators are. They are consistent regardless of how they feel. Kung tinatamad sila, they just have to do it. They have to make content. Minsan yung hobby natin, yun na yung nagiging work na siya bigla. Sometimes our hobby becomes the work, the job. But just don't forget that I think that's how we give back to humanity. That's how we give back to this life that we live. Huwag ka siguro mawalan ng pag-asa na wala na akong ma-post, wala na akong magawa na content. There will always be something there. And there will always be an opportunity every day. You just have to figure it out. You just have to find it. And when you found that opportunity, grab it. Yun lang. Keep creating.